Today we're going to be sharing how you can make these simple wreaths using star anise. For the base, I just used an extra macrame ring that I had around, but you could also use any other hoop that you have or create a hoop using wire. Then I got a large bag of star anise from a local spice shop, and then I just used a hot glue gun to start gluing them onto my hoop. A little trick I ended up using, because some of my star anise in the bag was broken apart, I actually just broke them apart further and glued them back together to create whole star anise instead of just having the pieces. And from the reviews I read about the bags that you can buy on Amazon, a lot of the bags end up coming kind of crunched up, so you'll have a lot more pieces than whole star anise. For this one, I had cut a piece of velvet ribbon to hang it from, and I decided to add it on a little earlier so that I could space out the star anise around it. I also made a smaller one, and I took some ripped up fabric, tied it into a long loose bow, and I added that to the top of this one.